Hello, my name is Alexander Loney, and this is Smooth Sands Construction. We'll be talking about an innovative concrete extruder that allows for smoothing and adhering layers together on 3D printed concrete structures. So the four main problems we need to solve are visible layers on the outside of the structure needs support, and layers need to be adhered together better while expanding the 3D printing construction market. 3D printing in general has a $40 billion market size in 2024, with the construction sector having a $1.5 billion market in 2024. With over a 200% growth between 2019 and 2024, this is a very important sector that we need to look at. So the sketch model on the left is our normal concrete extruder, on the back is the driving motor and pressure chamber with the main systems in between there. Now the pressure chamber goes up and down and squeezes the layer in between the little doors so that it's the right shape and the right size for each time the layer is printed out in the extruder before it. Our nozzle allows for directional control and layer smoothing, creating ridges in between layers, so a better nozzle for a similar price. So for the team, we're looking for a development engineer, a software developer, public relations officer, and a materials scientist. These positions will be greatly needed on the team. Now this is just the beginning. Construction 3D printers regularly cost around $180 to $1 million, which our extruder will be a lot less than that. Our extruder will be able to attach to a wide variety of different printers, and within 3 months to a year, we'll have a working functional prototype that will be attached through the printer itself. Along with that, we're going to have consistent improvement. And thank you so much for listening, and this has been Smooth Sands Construction.